Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to upload high quality Instagram stories. And the first step is go to the Instagram app, and after that you need to go to the option of your profile here in your profile, and you need to go to the superior part in the option of these 3 points. You pick here, and after that you need to pick here in search and search the option of data use and media quality. So after that, you need to pick here in upload highest quality, and you need to verify the option of data saver is desactivated, like here. Because if you got this option activated, you got the 50% of the quality when you post it in a story or on a post. And when you deactivate that option, if this is your case and activated the upload at highest quality, you can upload like an image in the best quality and videos too. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.